In this video, I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in BandLab. Now to do this, you want to open the project where you have the audio you want to normalize. You want to simply click on the audio to select it, then you want to right click and click on normalize down here. However, I have to tell you this is a premium feature, so if you're using the free version of BandLab, you won't actually be able to use it, okay? So you have to click on here if you have the premium version, and it's going to allow you to then go and of course normalize your audio with just the click of a button. So as you can see, you're going to unlock it in Studio if you basically purchase their monthly or yearly plan, okay? Now, if you want to use the free version still and you want to still normalize without this right click normalize tool, you could also go and basically adjust volume levels manually. So we can just basically open your project and then you want to go and open your mix editor and then in there adjust some volumes and kind of try to hit that as well, okay? But that's essentially how to normalize your audio. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.